Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make us a nice little holiday treat, some holiday fudge. It's a very simple recipe. My wife's brother gave us the recipe. He got it online somewhere. It's a 2-ingredient fudge. So my daughter Emma is here. She's going to make it for us. So without further ado, let's get to it. But very easy and delicious, especially if you got a sweet tooth. Okay, so for the ingredients, all you really need is some Betty Crocker Rich and Creamy, or this is a chocolate one. Here we have the Jif peanut butter. You can use Skippy, any brand you want, as long as it's creamy, smooth. Mixing bowl, 1.5 cups of peanut butter. And you need a parchment lined 8x8 pan that all you're going to do is put in the refrigerator. Alright, so now I'm going to switch this over. I'll give you guys a view, and my daughter's going to put it together. Okay. So Emma's going to scoop out of the measuring cups and see what we did. So it comes out easy and clean. Look at that cup, right? Take some butter spray or any kind of spray you got, olive oil, whatever, spray in a can. Like I call it slip and slide juice. But you just take that and you just give a spray and look at it. All that stuff comes out so easy. Don't worry about that. That'll when we start mixing that. Okay, so now we're going to trot over to the microwave. That's how easy it is. You can also do it on the stove top, but you got to be very careful. And what we're going to do is we're going to do this in increments of 20 seconds until the peanut butter is nice and melted. This is after the first 20 seconds. As you can see, not much has happened. Maybe a little there. See it sliding? Okay, pop it back in for another 20. I made a batch of this the other day, and we ended up doing it 4 cycles, about 80 seconds. And it was nice and creamy and melty and gooey. This is after a total of 40 seconds. And watch out, you should get some oven mitts. My daughter's got leather hands.
Oh, oops.
This is number 3. Okay, total of 60 seconds. There we go. That's number 3. Number 4 on the way. All right, there's number 4. So we're going to take that back over to the counter. Okay, now she's scooping out the icing. And I did this the other day, and I swear you guys, it tastes like the real deal. I've been making all kinds of desserts for the past week for Christmas. Now, Christmas is gone. I will stir this around a little bit. You're not going to really try to mix it. What we're going to do is stick that back in the microwave for another 20 seconds. But just go ahead and mix it up a little bit. You'll see. It makes it a little bit easier when you do this than put it in the microwave again, all right? All right, then the microwave she goes. Okay, another 20 seconds, and that'll be that. I gotta watch out. Okay, so Emma's blending this all together. So now, as you can see, it's nice and creamy consistency, and it looks all chocolate. You don't see any peanut butter. So now what we're going to do is take that, and we're going to dump that into this here pan. Be careful, Emma. You can lick the whole thing now. Now watch this. Miss Penny, we need you to find a spot in the fridge. Okay, my fudge-loving friends. Here's the recipe. Remember, 2 ingredients. Use peanut butter and Betty Crocker chocolate frosting. Emma beat feet. She had to go get a facial, so it's up to me. This has been sitting in the fridge now. It's nice and firm. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to show you what I do after this. We already made the vanilla one, and we're going to give this out as gifts too. So this was Penny's idea. It works really well. And all you got to do is just pick this up out of your cooking utensil, plop it down. And remember, this has been, in the refrigerator, so it's still a little chilly, but flatten it out. And as you can see, it's a good thickness for fudge. So And I got my bench scraper, otherwise known as the fudge knife. And we're just gonna cut into this real easy like. Pull it up and boom. And we're gonna take a little piece here from Mr. Dan to try. I do have to say, it is delicious. It's got the right consistency. Easy as all heck to make. So if you guys like the video, give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, a little notification bell will pop down. You hit that and that'll notify you each and every time we come up with another recipe. There's an arrow button below, an arrow down button below the video. You hit that, drop down box will come down. That'll give you a link to our Cook with Mr. Dan Facebook page, link to my daughter's artwork site page, and a complete recipe of this delicious, delicious fudge, ingredients and how we mixed it all together. And this turned out really well. I want to thank my brother-in-law Eddie for sharing the recipe. I know he got it off the internet, but that's okay. It turned out really well. Thanks, Eddie. That was good. Very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. So, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back, and we will give you another delicious recipe or dessert just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying happy holidays. Thanks for watching the video, and stay out of COVID's way. Until next time, stay healthy, my friends.